Hey guys, it's me, Izzy, and today we're gonna be playing Pick the Slime Side. So, I made this up and I'm gonna mix it up and try to pick one out. Ooh, yay, I made this at a birthday party. Some slime. It's kind of rough. Oh, my sister is like watching the video. She's not there, but still on. Okay. This is I'm gonna be next. Okay. My sister's gonna be like watching one of my YouTube videos, so she's gonna press play when she comes back. Okay. So, what's my favorite slime that I made at a birthday party? You guys need a birthday party like this. What?
Daddy said we can't get another puppy because Moochie has 0 friends.
Aw.
That's so sad,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
And I have only 3 friends, like Autumn, Brayden, and Oak.
I have a lot of friends in my class. So
Who is your friend?
I don't want to tell you. I'm making a video right now. So
Okay.
I'll put the slime on the other side while I'm picking the other side. So let's pick the other side.
Why are you closing your eyes?
Because I'm trying to pick one. Oh, this is a Pikachu here.
No, my
Put it in your pierce.
No.
Next, because that was not a slime. That was just a Pikachu. No, this is the baddest slime, but it's not black. I just put a cup in here. Abby, go. I'm making.
I just sneezed.
Okay, I don't care.
You have to say
This
the
is
magic
so watery
word.
and rough. Okay, that's why I don't like this one that much, but I like the color. It kind of stretches. It's so watery. I basically made this game up. Abby, be quiet.
Pikachu!
Ooh, it's the Syracuse orange one. My friend gave me this one.
Who just messed up my thing?
I didn't.
No, I have to make
It's
it all
so
up.
stretchy. They make better slimes than me. Because I basically made this one. It's so watery, so I always make water slimes.
What?
Because I don't have the right recipe. What are you doing, Abby?
I'm putting this in the ice cream.
So stretchy.
No.
I love this one, but
Okay,
sometimes I have to wait.
tell me your rules.
Okay, never mind about my
Sis,
sister.
tell me your rules. I'm trying to get
Pick the middle.
talking.
Ooh, it's my smoothie one that my friend gave me. Basically, my friend gave me
1 more minute.
4,
5.
and I still have the
3.
4 because
4.
I just got it today.
Yay!
This is
Sis, look! I got this in the claw machine.
cool. If you guys want to see it, I'll show you.
No. Gotta be it.
Okay. And let's put the slime away. I love the slime so much.
One more minute. 5, 3, 2, 1. I got it! Yay! Sis,
What?
I got Dr. Tom!
Okay. I got this glittery one. I don't really like glitter, just to say, but don't get mad at me. It's just my way. It might stop in a second,
Go
so...
in a coin.
Oh, no, it won't. So as you can see, it's clear.
First go in a coin.
It
First
is
go in a
rough,
coin.
but we're only
First
allowed
go
to
in a
squeeze it.
Let's go in the coin.
Abby, I stopped the video for you. This one's getting all sweated up because I left it in my room too long. I forgot to zip it. This one. Well, I got this one, but the next one I'll be able to pick up because this is the last one. This isn't the last one, but the next one is the last one. Now this looks like the smoothie slime, but it's mustard. It is supposed to be mustard. It smells like mustard. Oh, it might stop. Give it 1 second. No, it didn't. I just love the slime, but it's way too foam bally. I hate foam balls, but this next one has no foam balls because I got it at Dollar General. Here it is. It's supposed to be so watery. It comes out so fast. Okay, I don't really feel good.
Okay, put in the coin, please.
I'll turn the camera around. Here it is. It's so watery. And that's the end. So I hope you guys like this video, and there it is. And I'll be posting on half days for school and only Mondays and like half days of school. So like and comment down below how you like the slimes and tell me what slime you liked. Goodbye. Have so much fun.